I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to watch TikTok after the ban. Now, if you try to open TikTok, it'll give you this error like so. And if you want to watch it with bypassing this error, all you need to do is you need to go into settings and then click on your user profile at the top. Or if you're an Android, you can search for these settings that I'm about to show you. Now, once you click on this, you can simply go down and click on media and purchases, where you can click on a view account from here. Or you can also search for the setting in settings if you are not seeing this on your phone. Now, once you do this, you can actually click on the country and regions and simply change your country and region to actually fix it from not working. Now, you simply need to change this country to any of these countries that do not have the ban. As you can see, here's a map. You can also look this up, but you can see all of the countries that are in white, it looks like, do not have a ban on TikTok. Now, the second way you can also do this is go into your settings and type in country or region, or just search for the TikTok app and simply change the location in the TikTok app. Now, the next way you can fix this ban is you can simply go into the internet and simply type in VPNs that do not cost money. Now, for the reasons of YouTube's policy, I cannot type in the word free, but you basically want to find a free VPN, and you simply want to get that VPN and change your region to, again, one of the countries that does not have TikTok ban, and you can use it from there. Now, the VPN that I use is called NordVPN. You can get this, or you can also do a free trial, and you can also change your region just in seconds just by clicking on a country that does not have it banned, and this will basically allow you to use TikTok once again. Now, the final and last method is you can simply go into the App Store and type in TikTok like so, and you can see it'll show you a bunch of similar apps that involve similar scrolling styles and similar content to TikTok. As you can see, if we open up any of these apps, you can see that all of them have their own scrolling application like so. So you can actually get Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook, and you basically want to like videos that you like, and you can customize your feed in a matter of minutes, and it'll basically replace TikTok if it is not unbanned. But as you can see, if we go into the news, you can actually see it'll be likely unbanned in just a matter of time. But currently, this is how you can watch TikTok unbanned. But yeah, I just recommend checking the news and trying any of these methods, especially changing your location, and this should fix the issue.